lovers, so in this video I wanted to tell you about the time Lady tried dog beer. She won it from a beautiful group on Facebook called Scooby-Doo, Domino and All Pets Too. They hold competitions and Lady won one. It cost nothing to enter and the lovely people sent her a prize. You should definitely check it out. I'll post a link in the description. What is this? Wow. What is this, huh? What is this? Should we go check? Should we go check what it is? Come on then. Okay, so let's have a good look at this beer. It's called Bottom Sniffer. Give your dog real tail swagger with the non-alcoholic, non-carbonated doggy beer. Alcohol free. Okay, instructions say you can serve as a drink or over food. So I think we'll go for a drink first, then we'll have a go with it over food. Also, more importantly, it doesn't say it's not fit for human consumption, so maybe I'll have a go myself. Let's see what she thinks, huh? Whoa, what's that? Ah, she seems to like it. Want some more? Let's try some. It smells nicer than it tastes, let's put it that way. Is it good? You like it? You want some more? Well, she seems to like it. Okay, so now we're going to try it over some food. And she seems to enjoy that. This shocks me. So there you have it. Lady likes dog beer. So thanks Scooby-Doo, Domino and All Friends Too. As you can see, she really likes her present. Thank you!